Hi, welcome to the video. Today we are going to talk about the DP test, also known as a dye penetrant test or liquid penetrant test. This is a type of NDT which stands for non-destructive testing. In NDT, we inspect materials without causing any damage to them. Let's see what is DP test. The DP test is mainly used to detect surface level defects like tiny cracks or discontinuities, especially on metal joints. It is a widely used and commonly accepted method, especially for inspecting welded joints. This test works on both ferrous metals like steel, cast iron, and wrought iron, as well as on non ferrous metals like copper, nickel, and lead. It is a very popular test in industries like construction and manufacturing. Let's see how does it work. The principle behind the DP test is called capillary action. This means that a liquid called the penetrant can flow into any tiny cracks or pores on a surface, even without any external force. The liquid pulls itself into narrow spaces. Sometimes this movement can go upward or downward depending on the surface and the material. Now we see the main components of a DP test. There are three main items used in the test. First one is cleaner, which is used to clean the surface. Next one is a penetrant, which is usually red or pink in color. Next one is developer, which is usually white in color. Important thing is always check the expiry date of these materials before using them. Now we can see the steps in the DP test. First one is a surface preparation. Clean the test area properly using the cleaner. Remove any dirt, grease, or rust so the surface is smooth and dry. Next, we have to apply the penetrant. Spray or apply the red or pink penetrant dye on the cleaned surface. Wait for a few minutes as per the product instruction so the dye can seep into any cracks. Next step is a excess penetrant removal. Wipe off the extra dye from the surface using a clean cloth in one direction. This ensures only the dye inside crack remains. Next one is applying the developer. Spray the white developer over the surface. Wait for a short while. Then the developer will pull the penetrant out from any crack or pores. If there is a defect, you will see red marks, either dots or lines on the white surface. This means there is a crack or some kind of discontinuity. Next step is inspection and reporting. A qualified NDT inspector will examine the result. They will carefully check for any signs of defects and prepare a detailed report mentioning the type of defect, size and shape, and exact location. For example, small pores may appear like tiny red dots or cherry spots. Cracks may appear as thin red lines. Good lighting is very important during the inspection to see these clearly. Then, next, where is a DP test used? It can be done on newly welded joints or as a routine inspection on existing joints. It is commonly used in metal parts, even though the method can be applied to various metals. Next, we can see the advantages of DP test. First one is low cost. It is cheaper than any other NDT methods. Next is the high sensitivity. This method can detect very small surface cracks. Next is a quick result. The process is simple and fast. Next is a portability. All tools and sprays are easy to carry. And finally, it is easy to perform. Can be done on site with basic training only. These tests have some limitations also. They are they can be only detect surface level defects. Then this may be hard to detect line fine pores on very smooth surfaces. And next, the result may vary depending on the inspector's experience and method used. In conclusion, we can say that these are the basic and important things you need to know about the dye penetrant test. I hope you got a good understanding of the process. If you found this video helpful, Please support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.